Perhaps unsurprisingly, 50% of TikTok users admit they have bought something after seeing it reviewed. Fake reviews aren't just annoying, they mislead customers, hurt honest businesses, and ruins customer trust. Imagine spending your hard-earned money on bad products or missing out on great items because they have been sabotaged by fake reviews. Introducing RealViews. RealViews is a multilingual machine learning system designed to restore trust in location-based reviews by automatically identifying and filtering fake, promotional, and irrelevant content. It combines advanced NLP with metadata-driven anomaly detection to deliver real-time, explainable, and scalable review analysis with over 86% accuracy. There are two different features I will be demonstrating, an individual review inspector and batch processor. So now, let me use a random restaurant and let's say for example Swenson's. Okay, so I put in a context for it as a restaurant and copy over Swenson's description. Fake and spam reviews tend to be very short and robotic, so for example, if I just write in good, the model will flag the review as too short to be meaningful. Similarly, if I write promotional content, write very robotically or something irrelevant, it will also get flagged. Now, to prove that it doesn't flag every review, let's take one random review on the Google page from a verified user, and this review is now accepted and deemed valid. The neat part about RealViews is because TikTok primarily has English and Chinese speakers, even Chinese text can be detected and reviewed by RealViews. For example, here is a real review in Chinese. Lastly, RealViews can also work with batch processing. I have generated a small dataset with user ID, user review text, and metadata. Let's put that in. So as you can see from here, the analytics can be found on the dashboard. You can see from a glance the legitimacy of the reviews, the flagged users, and reasons for flagging. Of course, building RealViews came with challenges. Since I was hosting everything on my Mac, I faced computational limits and couldn't fine-tune larger, more advanced models. The dataset was also limited, especially in Chinese, which means that there's still plenty of room for deeper training and refinement. For the English datasets, inconsistency in the raw Google Maps data, such as different column formats and messy inputs, combined with time constraints like manually labeling reviews into ads, spam, or irrelevant rants, naturally limited the scale of training. Still, despite these constraints, this lightweight prototype demonstrates the proof of concept. For future developments, the model can be further trained on larger and more diverse datasets, with user feedback loops integrated to continuously improve accuracy. Expanding language support beyond English and Chinese into Spanish, Arabic, French, and others would make RealViews more representative of TikTok's global user base and ultimately far more scalable and impactful. Thank you.